All right, so for social studies and ELA reading this week, we're writing an informative essay. So since this is an assignment for Monday through Friday, Monday I just really want you to get familiar with the concept of writing the essay and what it is we're going to be doing this week. So your assignment for today is to view this and start doing a little bit of research on our topic, which is ancient Egypt. So we're going to start with what is an informative essay? The purpose of an informative essay is to inform or teach someone about something. You should never try to convince someone or put your opinion in an informative essay. You are simply providing information on a certain topic to teach someone about something. So you are not trying to argue or convince anyone. You're trying to teach them. So what are the parts of an informative essay? So these are your most basic essays. They have an introduction, which is the first paragraph that explains the main idea of your topic and the main idea of the essay. Then you have your body paragraphs. These are the middle paragraphs of your essay. There should be 3 to 4 body paragraphs per essay that are the key details of the main idea of the essay. You explain the key details in this portion of the essay. And then you have a conclusion, which is the last paragraph of the essay that brings everything to a close. You finish your thoughts and you don't leave anything open-ended in your essay. So you explain all of your thoughts. And then the last thing in an informative essay is a works cited page, and this is something completely new to you. This is the page where you add any sources you use to get your information in your essay, which can be website links, YouTube links, books, with the titles and page numbers, magazine articles, etc., which you guys are going to learn to do this in 6th grade, but you're going to use this forever. This is for the reader to see where you learned your information from so they know you didn't make it up. Also, if you take information from the internet, if you read about our topic from a website and you use any of that information in your essay without giving them credit, then you're cheating. It's called plagiarism. So our works cited page is our most important page. Why are we doing this? We are doing this because in 6th grade, you should be able to write a well thought out informative essay to teach someone something you learned about, as well as research the topic further to extend your knowledge. What is our informative essay topic going to be? Our topic is going to be ancient Egypt. Why, you ask? Because this is going to allow you to complete your ELA assignments as social studies assignments as well. So it's a 2-for-1 special. So instead of getting new social studies this week, this project of writing an essay counts for ELA and social studies. So it's reading, language arts, writing, and social studies. So that's really 4 grades you're going to get for this one paper. So what are our assignments for this week? So Monday, you'll watch this video about informative essays to help you become familiar with the concept and brush up on it so you are ready to start writing tomorrow during our live meet. What are we doing Tuesday? We will work together to create an outline for our informative essays on Google Classroom and begin our research and gathering sources. Wednesday, we will begin to write our rough draft, a full 5 paragraphs, which is at least 30 sentences, and put our thoughts down. You must type this on Google Docs. I know you guys are not used to typing, but you need to type it so that saves you from having to retype or rewrite your final draft. On Thursday, we will work together to revise our rough drafts, add our sources into our works cited page, as well as fix any grammatical errors. So Thursday is our cleanup day, where you're going to be like, well, Miss Wernicke, I talked about this, and this. And I'm going to say, maybe you should reorder it, or you need to add another detail, or I'm still kind of confused on what the main idea of your essay is. Can you clear it up by adding a sentence or an idea or a thought? And on Friday, you will reread your informative essay about ancient Egypt. You will make sure you have clear thoughts, your essay flows, and someone learns something from what you're saying. You need to make sure your sources are cited on your works cited page so that you do not copy someone else's thoughts or work from the internet. Finally, you're going to turn in your final draft. So this is going to be Tuesday's assignment. This we're going to work on together in our live. If you do not join our live, you are going to be responsible for this page. You're going to be responsible for coming up with your introduction. And to give you guys a clearer understanding of this, your introduction is the paragraph about ancient Egypt. Your thesis statement is the very first sentence of your entire essay, telling what the main idea is. And in the introduction paragraph, you need to have what your 3 topics are going to be and a transition statement into the first body paragraph. So body paragraph 1 would be your first topic you're talking about, and then you need 4 key details that support it, and transition to your body paragraph 2, which would be your second topic, another 4 key details, and a transition to the third topic. Then you're going to have your third topic with 4 more key details and a transition to the conclusion. And the conclusion is where you're going to restate your thesis statement. The very first sentence from your paragraph, you're going to restate it. So you're going to say the same thing, but you're going to put it in different words. Then you're going to tell me again what the topics you discussed were. You're going to clear up any information that might have been misleading or confusing. You're going to leave nothing open-ended. And then you're going to have a concluding statement, which brings the entire essay to a close. Then your works cited, which is where we're going to copy and paste any URLs we use, any links we use, or any book titles we use. And you definitely want to join our live to do that because it's several steps. Then on Wednesday, here's where you're going to type your rough draft. You're going to type it on this page. And you're going to put your first works cited page here. Then you're going to revise, so you're going to go back up to this. So on Thursday, where it says to revise, you go back up to this and you're going to edit whatever you typed. Then you're going to copy and paste that down here into final draft. You're going to reread it, make sure it's good, and you're going to clean up your works cited page down here, and this will be your final copy. So every day I'm going to ask that you turn in a screenshot of what you did, minus Monday, because Monday is just watching this video, so I might ask you a question about this video. So I just want you to keep that in mind. So these are where your assignments are, and we are writing an informative essay.